Giuliani disbarred for pushing Trump's false election claims. In a striking legal blow, former New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani has officially been disbarred in Washington, D.C., following the revocation of his law license in New York last summer. The latest ruling stems from Giuliani's involvement in promoting unfounded claims regarding Donald Trump's 2020 presidential election defeat. As an attorney for Trump, Giuliani falsely accused two Georgia election workers, mother and daughter Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss, of adding extra ballots for Joe Biden, who ended up winning the state. Thursday's decision, which was handed down by D.C.'s appeals court, highlighted Giuliani's failure to respond to an order requesting an explanation for his continued eligibility to practice law in the district after losing his New York license. The court's swift action underscores the serious consequences of Giuliani's statements and actions in the wake of the election. Giuliani's spokesperson, Ted Goodman, did not hold back in his criticism of the ruling, labeling it an absolute travesty and a total miscarriage of justice. He urged members of the legal community to rally against what he described as a partisan, politically motivated decision, suggesting that the integrity of the justice system is at stake. In July, the Manhattan Appeals Court stripped Giuliani of his law license, determining that he had repeatedly disseminated false statements about the integrity of the 2020 election. Despite the court's findings, Giuliani defended his conduct, asserting that he genuinely believed in the accuracy of the claims he was making on behalf of the Trump campaign. Giuliani declared bankruptcy in December last year after a jury awarded Freeman and Moss $148 million in a defamation lawsuit against him. Judge Sean Lane agreed to allow Giuliani to cancel his bankruptcy application, but ruled that financial investigation firm, Global Data Risk, must be paid for their work. The firm had been hired to investigate Giuliani's finances and ensure he was not hiding assets or income. Last week, the firm agreed to a last-minute reduction in Rudy Giuliani's bill for the probe, although it did not disclose how much had been offered. Separately, Giuliani has been named in a lawsuit by Noelle Dunphy, a former employee who has alleged that he sexually abused her and owes her $2 million in back wages. Giuliani has denied the allegations. The latest disbarment marks a dramatic fall from grace for Giuliani, once celebrated as America's mayor, for his leadership during the 9/11 crisis.